In this episode, we will discuss about the common data environment. We will see how the architect takes the massing model from Autodesk Forma, sets up a common data environment in Autodesk Construction Cloud, adds folder, collaborators, and then brings the model from Forma into Revit. So the full team can start detailed design on a single connected platform. Welcome to episode 2 of our data center series. Once a data center concept is approved, priority shifts from exploration to execution. The project is set up on Autodesk Construction Cloud, creating a secure cloud-based common data environment that becomes a single source of truth for the entire project. Using Autodesk docs, predefined templates, the structure folder systems are deployed immediately, ensuring consistency, governance, and scalability as project grows. Structural engineers, mechanical engineers, or I would say MEP engineers and the specialist consultants are onboarded into the same environment, enabling real-time collaboration. With the collaboration framework in place, the massing model from Forma is seamlessly transferred into Revit, preserving design intent while enabling detailed architectural and engineering development for the other trade partners as well. The result is connected BIM workflow that reduces friction, accelerates coordination, and position the project to move confidently into the detailed design and further into the construction phase.